bear with me. You gotta bear with me. Oh, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go subscribe. You're gonna love it here. Like, I literally do everything. But I'm sorry, I've been so inconsistent posting my YouTube videos. I've been so busy with my business. Go support me at boujietique_ on Instagram. And like, I just been doing my own thing, and I'm gonna try to be consistent. I have 2 more videos to post this and next month, or I try to post both this month. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go,
it's so beautiful. Look at the Grinch. But it's so nice, like, oh my god.
God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Guys, we're finally, oh my god, my camera's so blurred, but I don't feel like wiping it right now. We're finally done. I'm gonna insert pictures of my nails. My nails came out so cute. Got my hair done, got my eyebrows done, y'all. I trying to like want something for this Valentine's thing, and I honestly don't care because I'm gonna get it all back this week. So yeah, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in the morning. I don't know if I want to wear makeup tomorrow or not. So hey, I just woke up. I'm about to get in the shower. Yeah, I still haven't decided if I want to wear makeup or not, because my face looks so nice, and I got my eyebrows on. I don't want to just put makeup on top of that, you know. I want to give a real face. Probably do like, you know, a little something. I'm not trying to do all of that makeup. But watch me say this and put a whole face on. But yeah, I'm just trying to like, you know, something light. But I'm gonna see when I get out. Okay, yeah, so this is the sweater, this is the skirt, and I got on fishnet stockings. I don't know if it goes together, but so I'm not gonna put on makeup today. Y'all can't see me put on the mascara, but this is the mascara I got from this mascara. I'm gonna put my heart on the top lash. This is how it looks, but I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done with my mascara.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder.
Let's go! Let's go! Ho! Ho! Yeah! Oh! Ho! I'm like, oh, nah, she gotta go! Oh!
tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
On scene, think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit,
Welcome back to my vlog. I'm in my aunt's new house, and I just took out my makes from that wig I just saw. And I think I'm gonna put in, I think I already did. I'll probably put in the clips of me at the party before or after this to show y'all. But I went to a party this week, and for my break I've been home. I went to the party before my break, and yeah, for back to school I went to leave out my hair curly, but I'm not gonna leave it like this because my hair is actually dirty. So I was gonna do some like roller curls, and so I was gonna brush out these curls, do rollers, like, you know, make it look cute. Or I'll probably just leave it like this, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all then until like I'm doing something fun or I'm going out, because I already know I'm not gonna do nothing here. I'm just chilling, nice break, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all soon.